friends, welcome to our channel Kids Loving Area. So, welcome back again after a very long break. First of all, we're going to discuss about COVID-19. As we all know that this pandemic disease is prevailing all around, so we need to take some precautions. So as we know that COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person, we need to fight this disease and it should be our joint responsibility. So we need to protect ourselves and others by making such simple precautions as a new habit, like clean your hands often, cuff or sneeze near bent elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. So these things we need to take care of. And now coming back to our study, today I have brought one new video, and that is of parts of speech. Now what is parts of speech? First we're going to learn the definition of parts of speech. This is different types of words which we use when we speak and write. Parts of speech are different types of words we use when we speak and write. And here we have 8 kinds of parts of speech. First is nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. So here we have 8 parts of speech, and today we're going to discuss about only one, and that is adjectives. So first we're going to know that what is adjective. Here is the definition of adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, like person, place, animal, or thing. These are nouns. So we need to know the adjective that which will describe a noun. Like, here are some examples of adjectives. First is cold milk. So here we can easily recognize that what is an adjective. The thing, the word that is describing a noun. A noun is milk here, and the adjective will be cold. The milk is cold, so the adjective will be cold. Next is big boat. You can see big boat. Here is the boat and it is big. Boat is a noun and big will be adjective. So big will be an adjective here. Next is tall building. So how is the building? It is tall. It is tall. So the adjective will be tall here. Adjective will be tall here. Next is smart boy. How is the boy? Is he dumb? No, he is smart. So the adjective of boy is smart. Boy is a noun and adjective will be smart. King lion. Lion is a noun. And what will be an adjective here? King. Yes, king. Because the lion is a king and it is describing a lion. So the king will be an adjective here. Next is happy baby. Happy baby. How's the baby? Baby is happy. So the adjective will be happy. We can say an adjective are the words which we can use for numbers, colors, size and shape also. So these things are also known as an adjective. Words which describe numbers, colors, size and shape of a noun. Like this, it's a parrot. How the parrot is? It is green parrot. Now here we can see the color of the parrot. Color is green parrot. So next is size. The size of a house. It is a big house. It is a big house. Now we have occupied color and size. Now we're going to see the number and shapes also in adjective. Green parrot is an adjective and big will be an adjective in big house. Next is round ball. Round ball. The ball is round. It is describing a shape. It is describing the shape of a ball. Round ball. The round will be an adjective here. The next is one hen and three chicks. One hen and three chicks. Here we can see one hen and three chicks and we can describe the numbers of the noun. Three chicks we can see and one hen. So 1 and 3 will be an adjective here. Now we have a quiz for adjectives here. Now we're going to see what will be the correct answer among all the options. Sentence is, it was a cold day when I went to the beach. It was a cold day when I went to the beach. Now here are three options given to you and we have to recognize the correct option. So it's a game, it's a quiz. So we're going to give you 5 seconds to recognize the correct answer. 5 seconds. So this time starts now. Countdown now. 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So quickly it is over now. And the correct answer is cold. Cold. The day is cold. So the answer is cold. Means adjective in the sentence is cold. Now the next question, next sentence is, the beautiful lady smiled at the boy. The beautiful lady smiled at the boy. Now the countdown starts here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and 0. Time up, time up. And the correct answer is beautiful. The lady is beautiful. So the adjective will be beautiful here. Next. The man lived in a poor area in the city. The man lived in the poor area in the city. So here we have to pick the correct adjective, whether it is man, poor or lived. Now the time starts here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 0. Time up, time up. And the correct answer is poor. Next, The kind man gave the beggar $1. The kind man gave the beggar $1. And we have to choose the correct option among all these three options. Your time starts here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. So the correct answer is kind. The man is kind. So this will be an adjective in the sentence. Next is, the jersey my mother gave me was blue. The jersey my mother gave me was blue. So the correct adjective will be, and we have 5 seconds to think over it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Our time's up. Now we're going to recognize the correct answer, and it is blue, the color. Now here we can see the color also. Color blue. Very nice, very good going. Next. So if you like this video, kindly like and share and subscribe our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Learn well, stay home, stay safe, and be healthy. Thank you so much.